nice carrier. Yeah, that carrier just turned on. I was trying to get a start with this Duquesne right here, but yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's that one. Oh, that's pretty hot. Yeah, I don't know why the fan's not spinning. There's loads of heat coming out the top there. That's the wind spinning them. You know what, mate? Wait, no, that's not the wind. Yeah, the fan. That's weird. I guess the capacitor's bad. Pretty quiet, actually. Just a little bit of a weird start. Yeah, that Duquesne is a Copeland scroll. Let's see what year it's from. It's really hot air. Wow. Alright, so nice carrier commercial unit starting up. Yeah, the fan motor's warm on this one, so definitely has been running. Alright, I guess over and out.